Salams, peace, and greetings. This is your host Shua Khan Arshad for LightupwithShua Podcast. Before I talk to you briefly, I would like to wish you all a happy new year 2025. Hope you are doing well and have plans for this year. Plans to be conscious and mindful human beings, adults, young adults, and parents, so that we can lessen all kinds of negativity, hatred, abuse towards one another, and create space for more care, compassion, letting go, more listening and understanding, and giving chance to ourselves and others. I will be talking more on this through my podcast, so do subscribe or visit back so that you can join in this journey that I believe is something that we all want to experience. If you are a listener, viewer, or a follower of my podcast, then I thank you for doing that. And if you are not subscribed and have come to my channel for the first time, I would like to welcome you and invite you to browse through my YouTube channel, where you will find my interviews with people from various parts of the world and the US. LightupwithShua Podcast is a bilingual podcast in Urdu and in English. I'm also announcing that I have actively started VoiceOver services. My website is voiceartistshua.com. Please visit and listen to the demos and share it with your networks. I would really appreciate it. Stay updated to my programs for this year on LightupwithShua Podcast, my voiceover services, and my self-healing and transformation trainings online and in person. If you would like to learn more and stay updated to my programs, then please subscribe to my channel and let me know if you want me to add you on my email list. Links are below, so stay tuned and send your comments, your feedback, and I would be happy to connect and reply to your relevant queries. Thank you for your support for LightupwithShua Podcast, and hope you will continue to share, support, and find my work beneficial to you in some ways. Stay healthy, be mindful, and take care of your family, friends, and people in your life.